Okay, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop to create your own custom brushes. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to create a brand new image. I'm going to make it 600 by 600. The size doesn't really matter that much, but I find it is easier for you to go ahead and make your own custom brush when you've got a perfect square canvas. You'll notice that the background contents are set to white, and OK. Press Command 0 to maximize. I'm going to come over here to my layers list and make one new layer, and I'm going to change my color picker to black. Okay, so that's the most important settings right there, technically. Now on this layer, as long as you're on the layer, you can draw pretty much whatever you want. I'm going to make a pretty textured brush, so I'm going to go ahead and come up here to the gear, and I'm going to come down here and choose one of the other brushes. Okay, and I'll go ahead and grab maybe this one right here. Okay, so this is just putting down some splats. Now keep in mind I am drawing without a mouse and without a pen and tablet, so I'm just using a trackpad, so this is not very comfortable. I'm just going to go ahead, grab a couple other brushes here just to add in so you can see how customized it is. Keep in mind that I'm still using black, and you can literally draw anything you want. You can also go ahead and erase and add in some white as well. So maybe I'll come in here and break this up a bit. Okay, I think I'll do maybe one more, and you get the idea. Okay. Okay, so once you have your design, you're going to come over here to your layer over here, and you're going to, with the mouse, you're going to right click on the layer, and then you're going to left click on this command here called Select Pixels. And what it's going to do is it's going to make a live selection of everything that is black. And you'll see that there's this little dashed line going all the way around all the black. Once you have the selection, you're going to come up here to the Edit menu, and you're going to choose Define Brush Preset. It's going to ask you what do you want to go ahead and call this, show you a little preview, and show you the current size. Try to be pretty descriptive about your brushes. So I might just call this, if I'm going to go ahead and make a grunge set, I might just call it Grunge 1 and go OK. Alright, now that you've made your brush preset, now you want to of course go ahead and test it out. We still have a selection live here, so we want to get rid of that selection. So to get rid of the selection, we come up here to the selection menu, select, and we choose deselect, or you can press Command D on the keyboard. So once that's gone, now I'll go ahead and I'll make a new layer just to test and paint, and I'll go ahead and paint. You'll see that I can now change colors, and I can paint in any color I want. I can of course use the keys here, and I can go smaller. There we go. And I can literally make any brush that's in your imagination. You can make brushes that are text based, so all you have to do is capture it. You can make brushes that are full on, eyes and noses and mouths and things like that, and different elements. So you can use your brush just as a stamp if you want. But if you want the true power of these brushes, you'll go ahead and you'll open up the brush preset. I'm going to go ahead and make my brush a little bit bigger. Okay, so I can just do a stamp if I want, and there it is. But if I want to go ahead and add on some more things, now I can go ahead and add on shape dynamics. I could add on transfer. You can certainly try some of these other settings here. There's one really cool one here called Dual Brush that we haven't gotten into yet, but you can try it. Scattering is a fun one. You can play around with it, and you can see the preview down below. So you see it's going to scatter all over the place. Just turn some of the settings on and off, and you'll see what you get. We'll cover more in class with all the settings, but the basics you have down. Make a new layer, make sure the color is black, draw your design or your brush tip, right click on the layer, select pixels, edit menu, define brush preset, give it a name, go up to the select menu and deselect, and then you can brush. Okay, I hope this helps you out.